Now that you're gone, I realize I miss so much your very lovely eyes. Come down from the tower I was on. Now that you're gone, I am so lonely. I know now that you are my one and only. Yes, that I just cannot go on. Now that you're gone, I'm waiting home alone, sitting by the phone, hoping, my dear, your voice I could hear. So try to understand that I'm at your command. Oh, won't you come back? Now you've heard my plea. My darling, please come back to me. Do the things we did not carry on. Now that